Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best tablet for OneNote in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Apple iPad Air, premium choice for OneNote. Key features: 1.03 pounds/11 inches/IPS/2388 by 1668/4 gigabytes/64 gigabytes 1 terabyte/10 hours/iOS 12/USB-C. The Apple iPad Air is my pick for those Apple users who prefer everything in the box of the Apple ecosystem. The A14 Bionic chip with Neural Engine is the all-attractive feature of this OneNote tablet. This kind of processor can run 5 trillion operations per second, which is a miraculous deal for such a small device. For drawing or taking notes, the Apple's Pencil can be paired up with it. The pencil can be attached to it magnetically and can be charged the same way. However, you can change from one tool to another by simply tapping. The Retina display offers 11 inches IPS panel, 2388 by 1668 resolution. It provides a super sharp and contrasting display. The slim design tablet comes with Type-C USB. You can do here much more than notes, watching movies, music, gaming, etc. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lenovo Tab M10 HD10. 1-inch tablet. Key features: 1.06 pounds/10.1 inch/1920 by 1080/2 gigabytes/32 gigabytes ROM/9 hours battery/Android 9.0. The Lenovo M10 Android tablet is a paradise for Android users and lovers. I personally love Android tablets or smartphones over drawing tablets when it comes to note-taking. There are a lot of reasons to love this tablet. Firstly, the tablet is powered by a quad-core Snapdragon processor. This processor can build even the most strenuous notes without any lags or bugs. The second reason is the Android 9.0 OS. The OS has been greatly optimized for faster boot times, and applications open a lot faster compared to the previous gen Android smartphones and tablets. When you are taking notes in your class or your meeting, you need a large digital workspace. That's why I really admire the large 10.1-inch screen. Screen colors are vibrant and very pleasing. It comes with an eye comfort mode, which is especially helpful for writers who work long hours on the screen. You can use styluses as you glide your notes down. Not only that, the tablet also supports wireless keyboards if you get tired of taking handwritten notes. This is why I feel the M10 is one of the best Android tablets for OneNote. You can work in the way you desire. The storage is where I feel things could have been improved. There are 2 models to choose from, 16 GB or 32 GB ROM. This might be enough for note-taking activities, but you might not be able to sideload a lot of multimedia files on your device. But, thankfully, Lenovo is offering expandable storage of up to 256 GB. This means you can use an additional SD card to add your favorite multimedia content. When in a meeting, you can take advantage of the Dolby Atmos audio on the 3.5mm headphone jack that comes with this device. Thus, virtual meetings become better and you won't have to disturb everyone else around you. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Lenovo Flex 14 2-in-1 laptop and tablet. Key features: AMD Ryzen 5 3500U/14 inches/IPS/1920 by 1200/12 gigabytes RAM/256 gigabytes SSD/full day battery/Windows. Lenovo Flex 14 2-in-1 provides a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes of SSD storage, which is good for a seamless performance. With one-time charge, you can use the tablet for up to 12 hours. If you are looking for a tablet that can give you more options than just note-taking, this should be your call. It's slim and modest. The screen is 14 inches with an IPS panel for a clear and bright display. It is a touch screen 2-in-1 laptop-cum-tablet, so you can get the advantage of both worlds for the price of just one. The Ryzen 5 mobile processor is super fast and is good enough for light tasks like taking up notes on OneNote or any other apps like Evernote and more. The Dolby Atmos sound speaker ensures immersing sound while you play your favorite music or movie. The Halo keyboard, software keyboard, helps you type and you can draw even with a normal pen. Last but not the least, it allows 4 types of modes. Type mode enables Halo keyboard for typing. Create enables drawing and note-taking. Browse mode enables compact browsing. Watch mode enables you watching movies. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.